Hey, this is Tejal from Sanmal Software, and in today's video we will see how to add sales invoice types. So let's start. Just click on sales module, then select invoice type submodule. Click on the four dots or more options where you will see add type option over there. From the same menu you can also export the list of Excel, CSV and PDF formats. To create a new sales invoice type, click on add type. Enter the required details such as description, and GL account and set active as yes. Click on save to create a new entry. Once the saved, the new entry will appear on the index page. From the actions, you can perform view, edit and delete operations. You can also filter your specific sales invoice type using this filter. This is how you can quickly add your invoice types. If you get any queries while adding these invoice types, then please connect us at contact us@sanmalsoftware.com. See you in the next video.